Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Pantry Powerhouse Series, your go-to place to explore everyday kitchen essentials. Today, we're taking a juicy dive into the world of tomatoes, the vibrant fruit that stole our hearts and our plates. Ready? Let's uncover the secret journey of tomatoes. Tomatoes are everywhere, tossed in salads, simmered in sauces, or sizzling on top of a pizza. But how did this humble red fruit become a global kitchen icon? To find out, we need to go way back, to where it all began, deep in the roots of ancient America. Tomatoes originated in South America, cherished by the Aztecs and Mayans who cultivated them with care. Centuries later, Spanish explorers carried them across the Atlantic. And suddenly, tomatoes began popping up in rustic European stews and fresh breads. From sacred crops to culinary stars, they transformed kitchens worldwide. But how does this garden gem actually grow? Let's follow its journey from seed to sauce. Tomatoes love sunshine and rich soil. It all starts with tiny seeds, which grow into lush green vines that climb and curl, eventually bursting with plump red fruit, ripe and ready for harvest. A little patience, a little warmth, and tomatoes do the rest. Now here's where it gets delicious. Let's talk tomato types. From cherry to Roma to heirloom, every tomato brings its own personality. Cherry tomatoes, bite-sized bursts of sweetness, great for snacking. Roma, dense and meaty. Sauce lovers, rejoice. And heirlooms? Oh, they're showstoppers. Bold in color, rich in flavor, perfect for any dish that needs a little drama. But tomatoes don't just taste good. They do good too. Let's talk about tomato power. Tomatoes are little red powerhouses. They're loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene, a superhero antioxidant known to support heart health, glowing skin, and even cancer defense. It's like nature's multivitamin in a salad. Let's peek deeper into the nutrition label and see what else these juicy gems deliver. Low in calories but packed with hydration and nutrients, tomatoes are a guilt-free way to energize your body. They hydrate your cells, nourish your muscles, and give your energy a slow, steady boost. All that, and they're delicious too? Yes, please. And the best part? Tomatoes show up in almost every corner of the world. Let's take a global tour. From Italian pasta sauces to Indian curries to spicy Mexican salsas, tomatoes are the global MVP. They soak up spices, blend into broths, and add zest to nearly every cuisine. Wherever you travel, a tomato is never far from the table. And speaking of tomatoes taking over, have you heard of a festival that turns tomatoes into flying fun? Welcome to Spain's La Tomatina, the world's biggest tomato fight. Thousands gather in white shirts, only to leave soaked in red pulp, all in the name of joy, tradition, and pure tomato mayhem. It's messy, wild, and wonderfully unforgettable. Back in the kitchen, though, let's make sure you treat your tomatoes right. Here's the deal. Store ripe tomatoes at room temperature. The fridge? Not their friend. It steals their flavor. And those wrinkly, overripe ones? Perfect for sauces. Nothing wasted, all flavor gained. And now, let's wrap things up with a juicy reminder of just how far this little fruit has come. From ancient gardens to modern plates, tomatoes have shaped cultures, boosted health, and brought joy to every cuisine. They connect generations, continents, and kitchens through flavor and tradition. So the next time you slice one up, remember, you're tasting a piece of global history. Now go ahead, eat a tomato and savor the connection. And that's our tomato tale. If you're hungry for more tasty stories, smash that subscribe button and join the adventure.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.